this corner though. Yeah, I need to fix that. And then I still need to fix on here. But first I'm gonna finish on this wall and see what more I could do. Okay? Yeah. Okay guys, I finished with this little part. It definitely looks more cleaner and nicer. I know the paper towels there don't look right. I don't know where to put them though. I could put them on the bottom there. Okay, I'll figure it out. But it looks good so far. This looks good so far. Now to this and then to this. Yes. Okay chat, everything is cleaned. This is clean. I'm putting my stuff over there for now because I'm getting another mat again. It's really dirty. I don't know why I'm so freaking dirty, bro. I have no idea why. But I'm gonna try this time to keep it clean as possible as I can. Because oh my god, that's just wow. What the freak? I don't know. But now I'm going to clean that corner and then my desk, guys. So younger me always like collecting or saving scrap paper. Just honestly just feel bad throwing it away, so that's why I keep the papers. It looks so good before and after. It looks so much more neat. So much more neat. I don't know. It looks so much neat. Way more neat. It looks better. It looks better. Whatever. And clean. I love it. 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 Now the last portion of the cleaning is my desk. My desk.
And also, if there's one thing I know is more of this weird
it's so clean now. It looks neat. I still don't know if it's aesthetic enough, guys. I really don't know, guys. Like, and here it is. Everything is very clean now. We just gotta change the mats, okay guys? And then that, remember to put that back over here on the table. But it's nice and better, I swear. And yeah, I'm not happy how it turned out. I gotta buy some few things here with the leftover money that I have, and let's see, guys. Exciting. Snowman. Look at these very cutesy. They're so cute. Sometimes in the cooking places they have really cute cookie cutters that could work for clay, and look at this. $3 for these. I don't know how to use these. They look pretty freaking cute. Oh, like these. I keep thinking we can use these for like resin, but I'm not sure. Wait, stop. That's so cute. Oh my god. These are cute. They must be these to try them out. $3. They're super cute. I'm gonna try these guys out. I'll try smaller. Take smaller ones. These are wider though. And taller. I think these ones would be good. They're super cute. So these are cookie cutters. And then different cookie cutters and stuff. Super cute. Wait, the heart. Stop. I want to say the heart. This is so cute. Okay, so I really do need a bin, a storage bin to put all my charms in. Hobby Lobby sometimes have pretty good ones for a cheap price, so. But right now, I don't see none today. No, I don't see none. No. I've seen clay artists use this for their clay. Oh, and this is the only one, but why is it kind of open? I should have brought it back. A freaking. Here, let me get the one behind. Hold on, guys. There's a cart right here. I'm just gonna use this one, guys. Yep. Okay, I got it. Hopefully this works good. Okay, here's the clay. Guys, last time there was like a sale going on, and I literally got like 10 boxes of clay, 5 boxes of clay with like 3 inside them for like $10, I think. So it really was not that bad. Okay, wait, chat. They got faux clay cutters. I need this for real. I do want to find some translucent clay, but they don't seem to have it here. They only have Sculpey. Okay, chat, this is $1.99 and that is 99 cents. It is very obvious taking this one for 99 cents. We got the goods. The damage was $29.61. It's not crazy bad. Okay, chat, I'm home. The boxes, the cookie cutters. I got this really cute bow, right? The nasty one, but this fabric is really cute. I got some more pins. I have some hairpins because I want to make some hairpins for my shop. I got the organizer thing to put my nail charms in. There's a glass cutter thing. Let's see how good it is. Yeah, that's it, guys. Oof, guys. Big bag. Okay, guys, it's almost 8. I finished eating and stuff. Now I'm gonna play some Minecraft with my brother. Okay, chat, it's the next day. It is the 8th, and I got all my clays done. I think this is what I'm gonna have for now. I need to paint them, resin them, and then make videos and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna finish painting them today, hopefully, and then maybe resin today or tomorrow, and then I'll be done with these. And yeah, I'm on track. I'm on track so far. That's good. Let's get to it.
Right down here and let it.
Okay, guys, I got everything painted, everything but the keychains painted, and it looks super adorbs. I think so. They really are adorable. I can't wait to resin them and see how shiny they're gonna be. So I was gonna make everything yellow, but I was like, you know, I should put yellow and white. I think that's cute and adorable. You have 2 choices, and yeah, guys, I think it's so cute. Hey guys, okay, so after playing games, I took a nap. After editing, I took a nap, and then I went to Walmart and got some little keychains. I think they're good so far. And I also got a new chair for my room because I'm using the open chair that I like. And the damage was $60. No, $66 right there. $66. So it's okay. And now I'm gonna resin them. The exciting part to see that afterwards. Yay! Okay, guys, it is January 10th. I'm almost done with everything. Oh my goodness, finally. And I'm on track. Tomorrow is the last day of me making the things and stuff like that, and then starting next week I take pictures. So I'm on track so far, which I'm glad. The little charms for the keychain so it doesn't be plain. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna keep working on this. Okay guys, I finished everything already. I'm gonna take some pictures of them. That's super enormous. I'm so happy with them. They're all super cute, guys. I can't believe it. Oh my god. So now I gotta take photos of them, so let's do it. Hey guys, it's been a while. I have not recorded a vlog. I've been recording a lot for Instagram and stuff like that for social media, but I have not been recording much for YouTube. It is launch day. It is January 18th, so it's launch day. I just finished posting everything on my Etsy. Now I need to like post in the stories and stuff like that, and I'm still taking some product pictures because I realized that I forgot to take pictures of the keychains. I only took of like the charm, but not the keychains. They're like the full set of itself, so I forgot to do that. But basically this whole entire time I've been focusing on finishing the keychain, taking pictures, taking videos as much as I can and I could do. But anyways, it's launch day and I'm so happy and excited because I really put my heart into it, and I love how everything came out. Everything's so cute, and I really hope people enjoy it as well. Let me show you guys the keychains. Well, if you guys want to see my keychains, make sure to follow my Instagram at bebetgshop, bebetg.shop, and then let me show you guys. So if I take pictures like on them on a purse or anything, so I'm doing this with this purse, and it looks so cute, guys. You cannot tell me they do not look cute. They look super cute. But yeah, I'm gonna finish taking pictures. I need my 2 more. I actually need these leftovers still, and then I'll be done and start promoting a lot and stuff like that. So yeah, guys.